Alrighty, so I'm out here in the rain, yes, because I dragged my tail and didn't come out in time. But I'm coming out here to go into my hive box. No, I don't have any bees. No, I don't. But once again, my bee mentor, Marcy, is going to, bless her heart, gift me some bees. So I am just going to go in and see what's happening in this box. So I know y'all haven't seen me play with my bees in a minute. That's because I lost them. Got robbed out and some more. So I am coming in to see what is going on, which is a lot of nastiness. I'm going to let y'all see. It ain't always pretty. So that's what's going on. Trying to check to see if, want to make sure I'm recording. Yes, because you know how I do, y'all. Want to make sure or see if my frames are going to be usable or if I need to get some more frames. So that's what I'm doing. Yes. So it's really nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Fine. I don't know, can y'all see? Trying to get you where you can see. I don't know if y'all want to see this nastiness. Yeah, just trying to get up in here. It is stuck up in here. Oh gosh. Frames are coming apart. I'm not gonna give up on my beekeeping journey. No, I am not. No, I am not. Okay, so this frame is this frame is about done. Oh, yeah, this is all apart. I just want Marcy to be able to see what is going on in here. There's a lot of ish going on in here. I don't even know what all that crap over is, but yeah, my hive box is looking real functified, people. I'm not happy. I'm definitely not happy. But like I said, I'm not giving up on my beekeeping journey. So I have some other hive boxes. Gonna have to get them together, set up my hive stand, and yeah, hopefully within the next week or so, y'all will see me happy. Get it? Happy. B-E-E. Okay, yeah, I know I'm corny. I know. But so that's about it. So yeah. So I'm gonna keep doing what I do. I'm gonna put this phone away because it is coming down. I don't mind the rain. I like the rain. It's cool. But my phone may not. So I hope y'all have a fantabulous day. Take care. Smooches.